How's it going, guys? In today's video, we're going to be going over what it takes to transfer data from one iPhone to another. This is a common request and question that we get in our stores, so let's get started. Transferring data from iPhone to iPhone is a process that has been quite simplified over time. Apple has updated their software to a point where, rest assured, the transferring process is something that's really reliable. You're not going to be losing any data when you transfer using this method. You can use your Apple ID and iCloud or do a direct transfer iPhone to iPhone. That's the method we're going to be showing you here today. In this particular example, we're going to be showing you this today with the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 7, going from the iPhone 8 Plus to the iPhone 7. All you have to do to get started is have both iPhones next to each other or in the same vicinity of each other. Ultimately, it's going to use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to do the direct transfer that we're going to be showing you here today. We're going to be showing you this iPhone 8 Plus here. The data is backed up in iCloud. There are different ways to back up your data. One way is to use your computer in the iTunes or Music app on your computer. Simply plug it into the computer with the Music or iTunes app on it and hit the backup button. And then once that is done, rest assured, everything will be stored on the computer, ready for you to transfer it over to the iPhone 7. Do keep in mind that music does not transfer during this step. Ultimately, music will transfer only with the Music app or iTunes app on your computer. So once you do the transfer, the iPhone that you transferred to will pick up right where it left off again, especially when it comes to the iTunes or Music app. All you have to do is simply plug it in, the new iPhone, into your computer, and it will recognize it as the old iPhone and start syncing your iTunes library directly to the new iPhone. iTunes will remember exactly how you've synced previously to the previous iPhone, so you won't see any changes or differences when you sync the next time. Once you confirm that you've backed up and are aware of the music situation on the device, let's go ahead and proceed to the next step. The next step is quite simple. Have the new device powered on next to the old device, and the old device is going to prompt you to type in a code or authenticate between each other, and then that will start the process. Once you're connected, it will confirm how you want to transfer the data. As you can see here, we're going to be transferring using the direct transfer method. You will have the option, however, to download from iCloud. Each step may take the same amount of time. However, the direct transfer option typically is the fastest option. Once you're connected, it will confirm how you want to transfer the data, of course, like we had mentioned, and then it's also going to reconfirm any additional settings that you've had previously applied, and then we're all set. It's going to begin the transfer, and all we have to do is wait from here, and then the phone will start showing your old content exactly where we left off. The third step is to ensure that everything moved over completely. Just poke around and see that it's exactly where you left off. One good way to check that is if you head into the phone application, you'll see that your recent call list is exactly as it was on the old phone. So once you've confirmed all that, you'll see also some apps downloading in the background. All of the background downloads will happen either on cellular or on Wi-Fi. So once you're at the home screen, after transferring, you're clear to take the iPhone from here on. So ultimately, if you've liked what you saw in today's video, please drop us a comment in the comment section below or drop us a like. Also, hit the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell so you get notifications when we upload content like this. Again, thank you for watching the Apple Exchange YouTube channel. Have a nice day.